So today we will start with the factorization method, how to solve a quadratic equation by factorization method. Now factorization method is not a new for you. You got in class 8, you got in class 9. Now in middle term factorization, what is the thing you have to do? In middle term factorization, you have to see that middle part of the equation you have to divide in such a way that the product of the broken part, product of the two broken part should be equal to the product of the first and the last. And if you add and subtract the two broken part, then you have to get the middle part once again. That is known as middle term factorization. And as you can see here, I have taken a quadratic equation and see x squared minus twice x minus 3 equal to 0. Implies x squared minus thrice x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now here you see minus thrice x plus x. Minus thrice x plus x, that means minus twice x. And minus thrice x into x is minus thrice x squared. If you multiply x squared and minus 3, you will get minus thrice x squared. So the broken part, you got the middle part and you got the product of the two extremes as well. And then you take the common, and then x minus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Either x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 1. So these are the two values for x equal to 3 and minus 1. So this is the solved quadratic equation by factorization method. Now one thing you have to remember while you will do the factorization, middle term factorization is basically how to break, and also how can you decide the sign of the two broken parts. Remember one thing, that if last one is minus, forget about the first one. If last one is a minus and middle one, irrespective of the plus or minus, both the two broken parts, one will be positive and another will be negative. Is it clear? If the last part, that is third term, is negative, then when you break this middle part, you will get two parts, and the two part will be in opposite sign. That means one will be negative and there will be positive. Now this is the first thing, that how to decide whether both will be plus, both will be minus. This is the first point. Second point, how to decide that which one will be plus, which one will be minus. That one will be decided by the first middle term sign. That will be decided by middle term sign. So please be careful. Middle term sign is minus. So minus thrice x plus x. So this is this one. Then ultimately x minus 3 plus x minus 3 into x minus 3 plus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the middle term factorization method. Okay. So let's move to the exercise. Okay, let's see. Move to the exercise. See, solve by factorization. Now next let's see x squared. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1, Roman 2. See. What is that? X squared minus thrice x minus 10. X squared minus twice x minus 10 equal to 0. So implies x squared minus 5x plus twice x minus 10 equal to 0. How did you get minus 5x plus twice x? You see, factorize 10. 10 if you factorize to 5. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3 and 5 is a 10. So this what? So ultimately x bracket x minus 5 then plus 2 x minus 5 then equal to 0 implies x minus 5 then x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x minus 5 equal to 0 implies x minus equal to 5, or x plus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 2. Now let's see next one. So please write down first Then I will move to the next one. Now let's see Roman 3, that is root 2 now root 2 x squared plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now you see, first of all you multiply these two. Root 2 into 5 root 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. See, root 2 whole square equal to 2. So root 2 into 5 root 2 equal to 10. That means 5 into 2. Clear? So 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay? So see, then root 2x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0 implies x root 2x plus 5, then root 2 you take common, root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 implies root 2x plus 5 and then x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now you get the 0 roots of the equation by yourself. Okay. Now let's see. Next one is Roman 4. Roman 4. Roman 4. So Roman 4 is 2x squared. 2x squared minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Okay. Now here you can do directly also. Otherwise, if you think that directly it is a problem for you, then what do? You take the LCM. So let us take the LCM. So 8, because here 1, here 1. So 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0 implies 16x squared plus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Now they are asking to solve by factorization method. Now you see, this is also factorization method. Now if we will do by this method, that is 4x minus 1 whole square equal to 0 implies 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. This is also factorization method. This is also factorization method. Otherwise, or you can do this way, 16x squared. This is optional, okay? Or you can do this way, 16x squared. So 16 means what? It will be 4x whole square minus 2 into 4x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Then you see 4x common, 4x minus 1, then minus 4x minus 1. So this way also you can do, or you can do by this method as well. Both are factorization method. It is not necessary that you have to do only by middle factorization method. Both are factorization method. Okay, so you are free to do by this method as well as you are free to do by this method. Therefore, in this case, the value of x is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2. Remember, the roots of the equation depends on its power. So, roots of the equation, power is 2. So, therefore, 2 roots. That means 1 by 4, comma 1 by 4. Okay. Now, solve the, now question number 2, you see. Solve the following solve the problem given in example 1. Okay, so we have already solved the example 1. Example 1. Solve the example 1. Solve the problem in example 1. Let's see example 1. Example 1. So example 1 is this one. See, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So, as you know, that I told that quadratic equation is a combination of the quadratic polynomial and linear equation with two variables. So this one can be done, other day I have shown, this one also can be done by two variables as well as one variable also. So let's say start with let number of marble, the question number 2. Two, 1. Okay. let John had X marbles and Jivanti had 45 minus X marbles. Now according to question, what is that? If both of them lost 5 marbles, so X minus 5 and 45 minus X minus 5 equal to 124. Okay, then X minus 5, then 40 minus X equal to 124 implies 40X minus 200 minus X square plus 5X equal to 124. Okay, so then you see X square minus 45X plus 324 equal to 0. Now you can do by factorization method. Okay, 324. So 324, 324, you factorize 2, then 162, then 281, then 327, then 3, 9, then 3, 3. Then you see you have to get, now last one is plus. So both the broken parts should be of same sign, that is both will be minus signs because minus sign is in the middle. So see, then in that case you see 12 and if we take that 18 plus 18, not possible, 45, it should be 45. Then let's see, 27 plus 12, is it possible? Not possible, no? So then what will happen? See, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12, 36, 36 plus 9, 45. So X square minus 36X minus 9X plus 324 equal to 0 implies X minus 36 minus 9 X minus 36 equal to 0. Then implies X minus 36 and X minus 9. Now both, if you solve, both will be positive. both will be positive. One will be 36 and there will be 9, and both will be correct, because if you subtract 5, then also it will be possible. So if you subtract 5, 36, one will be 36 and there will be 9. So if you subtract 5, then it will be how much? 31. And then it will be another one will be how much? 39, 4. So 31 into 4, 124. Answer is correct. Okay. So therefore, John had 36 marble and Jivante had 9 marble. Okay. Clear? So then next one you do by yourself. Then let's see. Then two numbers. Find the two number whose sum is 27. Find the two number whose sum is 27. Let two number. So this also can be done by two variable also, and as well as one variable also, because here definitely we have to do by one variable, but you can do by two variable as well. Then let's see. Find two number whose sum is 27. So question number 3. Let one number be x and another be 27 minus x. 27 minus x. According to question, what is that? According to question, the product of the two number is 182. So x into 27 minus x equal to 182 implies